today, we're looking at a completely new way to build a company from the ground up.
Okay, so what do these two have in common? Well, for 2,000 years, they've shared the same basic problem. It's an information routing problem. How do you coordinate tons of people? The answer's always been hierarchy.
Yeah, from the Romans to the railroads, hierarchy was the only answer, but it created a huge trade-off. And here's the trade-off. You could either be big or you could be fast. You couldn't be both.
So what's changed? For the first time, a new technology is powerful enough to finally break this trade-off. What if, instead of just giving people an AI co-pilot, the company itself was the intelligence?
Block, the company behind Square and Cash App, is actually doing this. Let's dig into their blueprint.
So the big idea is this. You stop building traditional products. Instead, you build 4 interconnected things. First, you build capabilities. These are the core functions your company does, broken way down.
Second, you build a world model. This is the system's brain. It knows what's happening everywhere, constantly.
At Block, this model learns from how people work, and more importantly, how they spend their money. Third is the intelligence layer. This is really where the magic happens. Let's walk through an example. The world model sees a problem a merchant doesn't even know they have yet, and the intelligence layer acts. It combines different capabilities into a custom solution and delivers it automatically. Now this is the key. No human roadmap was needed. The customer's reality generated the solution. So, the fourth component is interfaces. Things like the Cash App or Square hardware, they're just the delivery mechanism. Okay, so if the system handles all that, what happens to people, to managers? People move to the edge where they handle what the AI can't. Intuition, ethics, and big judgment calls. And check this out. These 3 new roles essentially replace the old functions of middle management. So yeah, for 2,000 years, hierarchy was the only way to route information, but not anymore. This model forces a company to really understand its core purpose. The AI is just the engine that makes it run.
So you have to ask, what does your company truly understand? If that answer is deep, AI could reshape your entire world.